Back when I started working at Walmart, I noticed something a little interesting. I noticed that we sell our own in-house tech branded Android tablets. And they're pretty cheap. I think the most expensive one we sold at the time was like 90 bucks, maybe $99. And that's a pretty enticing price, especially once you start going down to the more affordable ones that landed you all the way down to $40. Now I thought to myself, all right, this is gonna be bad, but how bad can it be? I mean, for $40, how wrong can you go? Well, how wrong can you go with a $40 Walmart branded Android tablet? Let's find out. Now I want to preface this with, this is the older model. This is the 2019 model. They did make one for 2020, but there's not really anything different about it. All the specs are the same except for the cameras, which we'll talk about in a couple minutes. Before we get to the tablet, I want to read a couple things off the box, just to let you know what we're dealing with here. So it says, great for everyday use. We've given it a crystal clear display plus 4 hours of battery life. Crystal clear, remember that. Running the Android 9 Pie operating system, this tablet has a familiar smartphone-like feel, but with added kick for all of your surfing needs. Crystal clear and added kick, right? Now let's read the specs from the box. Android 9 Pie Go Edition, all right, 40 bucks, acceptable. 7-inch 1024 by 768 resolution touchscreen, crystal clear. 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor, 1 gigabyte of RAM for added kick, 4 hours battery life, 16 gigabyte storage with micro SD slot for storage expansion. Again, $40, I can live with it. 0.2 megapixel front-facing camera, plus 0.2 megapixel rear-facing camera. We'll talk about that in a minute, because I've got a lot to say on that. But it does come preloaded with Walmart apps like Walmart, Walmart Grocery, Voodoo, Sam's Club, and Walmart eBooks. Which, if you buy this, you get a included $10 bonus for Walmart eBooks, which expired at the end of 2019. Good job, Walmart. All right, so enough of the box. What's the tablet itself like? Well, this is it. This is it right here. This is 7 inches of sub 720p HD greatness. The construction is about what you'd expect for 40 bucks. It's got a nice textured plastic back, smooth plastic sides, and maybe a little questionable for $40. It's got a plastic screen. I'll let it slide. Up top, we have that micro SD card slot and the headphone jack, if you're into that. And then on the bottom, we have a micro USB 2.0 speed charging port. So what's it like to use it? Not great. Geekbench, because we all know Geekbench is the holy grail of determining a product's day-to-day performance. This thing scores 450 single core and 1163 multi-core in Geekbench 4, and Geekbench 5 scores 75 single and 140 multi-core. Added kick. The day-to-day experience with this is not good. It's not good. It's very slow. It is very slow. It takes a solid 15 seconds to open the Play Store. And then if you go to the search bar to type something in, it takes maybe another 5 to 7 seconds for it to register that you tapped the search bar. And then maybe another 5 or so seconds to give you the keyboard. Just for reference, here's the experience with turning the display into landscape. And then back to portrait. But here's the good part. You're gonna go all the way around. Oh, it's so great. It's so great. I love it. I love it so much. It's slow and it's hot. After running one Geekbench on it, it was almost too hot to touch the back of it, like right about here. I'm assuming where the processor is. It shouldn't get that hot after a Geekbench run. The speakers on this thing, or speaker, one single rear firing speaker, is not good. There's absolutely no low end. It's a completely two-dimensional flat sound. And again, it's $40, but for $40, this is a little subpar. The cameras on this thing are freakishly bad for a device made and shipped in 2019 and 2020. It's appalling, disgusting, revolting even. This is the quality of the cameras. Both of them, front and back, because they're the same resolution. This is a well-lit scenario as well. I sent this picture to my friend. He said, wow, that looks like the iPhone 4. The iPhone 4 shoots better than that. You know what? In fact, as a matter of fact, this thing, the iPhone from 2007, 14 years ago. God damn, I'm old. 14 years ago. The shooter on the back of this thing is 2 megapixels. 2.2. This 14-year-old phone has a camera with 10 times the image quality of a tablet that was made 2 years ago. It was shipped up until like last November. The display, when using it, is very finicky. It will very frequently lose track of your finger for like a split second or two and then regain it. It's just sloppy. Again, like watching YouTube or streaming Twitch is not great. This clip of my friend Defect stream was coming through on my PC, 1080p, 60 FPS, gorgeous. This is like maybe 10, 540p, maybe 10 FPS, right? It's not good. Same thing with my friend Chandler. Just made sure it wasn't one stream and not the other. It's everything. I don't think you could like pay me to use this as my main device to browse or surf. It's so bad even that I know my managers from work are watching this. Hi Chris, hi Eddie. It's so bad that for the past 6 or 7 months or so, I've actively deterred customers from purchasing this tablet. Hey, can you unlock the tablet case? I want to get the little 7-inch tablet out of there. No, you don't. What do you mean? No, I don't. No, you don't. What nope, it's 40 but but no, you don't. Nope, nope. Okay. I mean, like, I say it differently than that so I don't get fired. I appreciate my paycheck sometimes. A step up to like maybe the 8-inch tablet or get like a Samsung. Well, like, you don't want this. I promise you. I have suffered so that you don't have to. You don't want this. Overall, my thoughts on this device are this. On the best day of this tablet's life cycle, which almost guaranteed has already passed, it will be subpar. On the greatest day of this tablet's life cycle, it will be subpar, even at the price point. So how wrong can you go for a $40 Walmart house-branded Android tablet? Very. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I didn't. I really didn't. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below with something I should do with this, because I've had it for a year now and I still don't know what to do with it. I can't bring it back, so leave your ideas down below and I'll see you guys in the next one.